Always. The sun always rises in the east. Usually. I don't usually have this problem. Often. How often do you meet? Sometimes. Sometimes I take the bus to work. Occasionally. We go in the fields occasionally. Never. I wish we had never come here. Try to repeat after me. Tough. Tough. Trough. Trough. Thought. Thought. Though. Though. Through. Through. Thorough. Thorough. Throughout. Throughout. See. To perceive with the eyes. I can't see a thing without my glasses. Look at. To direct your eyes at something. When you take a walk, look around you. Watch. To observe something for a period of time. He watched the waiter prepare the coffee. Yes. Yep. No. Nope. Maybe. We'll see. That's cool. That's dope. That's bad. That sucks. It's a lie. It's bullshit. Can you guess the native English for I'm sorry? Let me know in the comment.